Hello guys, welcome back to a second part of the mess the builders made. I'm actually back on the property. We've managed to do about 60% of the job. I mean, we fixed most of the jobs. So we just come back today, and I've actually had a few days gap. And with the extension, they did the extension. The builder, actually another builder came back, and he's actually put a plasterboard without the wiring, because I was supposed to put some wires in for the lighting and also some sockets on the wall. But there's no feed. He didn't wait for me, so instead what he's done is actually put plasterboard, and he's plastered all around, so which has made my life a lot harder. So I came in today, I was fuming. I was about to walk away from the job, but you know, it's got to be done. So anyway, what we did was we had to make several holes and put the ceiling, and it's been a hard work. I mean, instead of 1 hour job, it turned out to be a few hour job. So I'll just go through what we had to do and what's happened. So this is the extension, and there was no feed here, so I had to they want to double socket here, so I put I'm gonna put a feed in there. It'll be a radio coming off this one here. See, I mean, if you have a look at this, it's as dangerous as live wires exposed. This is left behind by the builder, so I'll have to tidy that up, and also put a feed in for this one. It'll be a radio socket coming off the ring. So in the ceiling, I've managed to, there's going to be about 8 spotlights on the ceiling, and the only way I could fit the wire through, because there's loads of joists going across, is doing small holes and fit the wire through that way. So I managed to do that, and also I've got to take a feed for the little toilet here. So that's going to be a little toilet there, and I've actually cut out the plaster to put a switch here. So that's going to be the switch. So in terms of the feed coming in, it'll be coming in from this ceiling here, ceiling lights. So the feed, I'll run the feed through that little cut out that I've done. There's 2 RSJ there, so it's a bit awkward. So cut out, I put a feed in there, come to this light, and then from the light will come down here onto the switch. So as I said, the builder who came back, and because he's under pressure to, because he took most of the money, he had to finish off what he started basically. So it's made my life a lot harder. So guys, I've got to finish this today, and also there's a basement as well, because I believe he's coming back tomorrow morning, and it's getting late as well. I think it's about 7 o'clock in the evening, and Sunday as well. So I've got to finish off this ceiling, and also the basement as well, before he starts plastering the basement, because there's a few sockets needs to be put in. So I'll do a further clip about the basement once I've done this. Hello guys, just managed to finish off the wiring here, and the owner actually filled all the holes, because we had to cut out a few holes to run the cable, because instead of breaking the plaster. And anyway, so far we've actually ran all the cables for the first fix. We done the minimum damage possible, and the owner came and then he filled all the holes. So he just needs to finishing off and painting. So I've got to come back and finish off the second fix once it's all painted and that. So this is where the switch is going here, and this is where my live feed comes in to this light, and from this light one cable runs down to the switch, and one feeds, this is going to be a little bathroom, so one feeds that bathroom, and also another feed is for the lights here. So yeah, and one feed is actually coming in from this ceiling here. and we've actually managed to finish up the wiring on the socket here. So it actually comes off this one. So that wire that's there, that socket, I'll have to tidy that up before I go, because there's a live wire hanging. And this is, I say, it was down to the builders before. We didn't really see this till we moved all this rubbish. So before I go home, I'll have to do something here. So what we've done so far is we've done all the first fix for the spotlight and all the socket. So we've just started the basement. So I'll show you what we've done in the bit, or we've started in the basement and what we're about to do. So we're in the basement now. So the ceiling's quite low, but anyway, there's going to be 6 spotlights on this ceiling, and 1 spotlight here, which is going to be a 7th one because there's a window here. So he wants 1 spotlight there. I've already done the cutout for that. And there's a socket here which is buried under the plasterboard, so I'll have to take that out and put it somewhere here. Also, I've got to put another one here, and he wants one there as well, so my helper just cut that out for me. So I'm going to run the cable from, basically I'm just going to feed off this one here, the existing one. So before I do all this, I'll do a test and make sure everything's all okay. So this space here, this is going to be his small little office, and he's going to have a little computer here. So there's a light which is not working at the minute, and there's a socket cable actually hanging here. So I'm gonna have to basically fix that and put it behind the wall, make sure it's safe. So this light here, I'm gonna have to replace this light and put a round light here. Also, see this this wall here, where actually, I mean, the owner wants a switch, one switch here and another switch on the top of the stairs over there. So we've got to literally chisel the wall and run the feed. Oh, and he wants another light here as well, you know, where the landing is. So we're gonna get cracking. I've marked all the spotlight positions, make sure it's all square or it's all even. Just gonna start cutting them out, and hopefully I want to get this done in a few hours. Hello guys, just an update on the work that I've done in the basement. So far what we've done is, so this is the entrance to the basement, and we put a switch here, and the light is going to be here just for this space for the stairs landing. And this is the way to the basement. So what I've done here is I've managed to tidy all the cables that was here before, that got rid of all this, and I've got 2 new cables coming down here for the switch. So the plasterer will come hopefully tomorrow, and he'll basically put the wire through for me. So I'll come back on a second fix and I'll put the double switch here. One is going to be for here. This is going to be I think it's going to be a button light here somewhere in there. And we've done the spotlights on that ceiling. So there's about 7 spotlights on this ceiling, LED spotlights. I've done the other switch is going to be for this one. So in terms of sockets, I put 1 socket here, another one here, then coming off this one here, and there's another one here as well. This is another one here. So I've advised to put a smoke detector here as well, being a basement, and it's got to be interlinked, so I think I'll have to come back and do the interlinked smoke alarm here, so it's connected to the ones upstairs. Guys, thank you for watching.